A Thesaurus Adventure, Mastering Synonyms. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English language learning session. We are going to focus on a very interesting part of language learning today, using a thesaurus to develop our vocabulary. By the end of this video, we will be taking a Thesaurus Synonym challenge to test our new skills. So, let's get started. A thesaurus is a book or a tool that lists words grouped together according to similarity of meaning, in contrast to a dictionary, which provides definitions for words, and generally lists them in alphabetical order. The main purpose of a thesaurus is to help the writer to find the best word to fit a particular context. Using a thesaurus can help us significantly in improving our vocabulary and mastering synonyms. Using a thesaurus might seem complex at first, but it's actually quite straightforward. To find a synonym for a word, you just look up that word in the thesaurus, and you'll find a list of words and phrases with similar meanings. Here's a quick tip though: always cross-check the synonyms in a dictionary to ensure you've captured the correct connotation. Now, here comes the fun part. Our Thesaurus Synonym Challenge. We're going to list 5 words. Your task is to find at least 3 synonyms for each word using a thesaurus. The words are 1. Beautiful, 2. Happy, 3. Angry, 4. Fast, 5. Interesting. Try to find those synonyms and write them down. After finding the synonyms, it's time to share them. Try using these new synonyms in sentences. This will not only improve your understanding of these words, but also enhance your sentence building skills. And that's it for today's video. We hope this activity was not just enlightening, but also enjoyable. Remember, mastering a language is a journey, and every step you take, every word you learn, gets you closer to your destination. Keep practicing with your thesaurus and watch your vocabulary bloom. Until next time, happy learning!